Hey, what's up, y'all? How y'all doing? Good, I hope. Today we will be taking a look at the Bugani M99 waterproof wireless speaker. But before I get to the specs, let me say this. I was sent this product for review, but my thoughts are my own. Now with the specs. Product features. Model no Bugani M99. Battery capacity 3.7 volt, 2500 milliamp hours. Speaker impedance 4Q. I have no idea what that means, but I think they meant to put 4 ohms. Sensitivity 75 plus minus 3 dBs. Output power 8 watts by 2. Speaker driver size 2 2-inch. Drivers. Product size is 190 by 71 by 71 millimeters. Specification: portable IPX5 waterproof, durable and rugged with silicone material protection, high-end metal grille, crystal sound with deep bass, supports wireless, auxiliary in, and mini SD card. Also, hand-free calls. So this thing has a built-in microphone and supports anything that's Bluetooth compatible, including your laptop, tablets, phones, and other devices. Now, what's in the box? Obviously, the Bluetooth speaker and a USB-A cable to micro USB 2 feet in length. Let's take a quicker look at the Bluetooth speaker itself. I can say I really like the design of this Bluetooth speaker. I cannot complain about it. Also, it does have some weight to it. On the right side are the controls: volume up, volume down, power, play, pause, back, and forward. On the other side, there's nothing. In the front, just that beautiful mesh grille with the Bugatti logo. More of that beautiful grille on top. More of that beautiful grille on the back. In excess of this rubber boot are the ports I mentioned earlier. The USB port, the SD card slot, and auxiliary in. And looking through the mesh, you can see the base radiator. On the front, you can kind of see the 2 2-inch drivers. On the bottom, we have 2 rubber feet. Let me give you a demonstration. Bluetooth does connect rather quickly, and the sound of the device, when I first heard it, I was thinking this would cost somewhere around about 40 bucks. But when I found out what it actually cost, I was amazed. $18. I can say with this, you're getting your bang for your buck, and I can definitely recommend this, hands down. Thank you for watching my video. If you need additional information, thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If so, subscribe, like, and share this video with anyone who could benefit. But if you feel that this video is not quite up to par, just like this video, leave a comment letting me know what I did wrong. I really would like to hear from you. Also, you can follow me on the social medias. The links are in the description.